I done said record video.
Thank you. About time. Hey you, hello there. Anyway, hello friends. We're back here in the famous studio. I think it's famous anyway. Today I am mixing pouring medium. At least it's the one that we've been using for most of our painting career. Hey, there's a camera over here. Nobody's telling. I have no direction here, so if we're looking over here at this camera, we have lots of ingredients here. I've got white glue. This is Craft Smart from Michaels. I've got Floetrol. I've got a camera in my elbow. I've got some Golden GAC 800, and I have some water. Now, since this is rocket science and we're putting a man on the moon, we're going to measure carefully. So, this is a basic quart deli container. You can see we've been using this for a while. Lots of nice paint on it. It's my favorite one. So, oops, still got paper here. So, we're going to put some glue in here. I usually use about somewhere around a quarter of the container. As I said, I don't measure anything with this, so it's just kind of wing it, stir it up until it looks right. There's no right or wrong answer to it. It's just a splash of the GAC. It's just to help, it helps keep the paint from cracking when it's drying. If you get it too much paint on, or you don't get the consistencies right and it's too thick. And we have Floetrol, and you want to strain your Floetrol because otherwise it gets lumps in it. And you don't want lumps in your paint. And this mostly Floetrol through the rest of this, and then we'll fill the rest up with water. That, I get my friendly stirring stick, and away we go. Naturally, I filled the container up just a little bit too much, but that's the way it goes.
Nothing is a science.
Sure it is. I'm putting a man on the moon with this here. And that, friends, is our basic pouring medium. Thank you. Bye.